What's going on, everybody? We're back with another one, and today's gonna be a little short video on the Ranger. I seen another truck with a similar like color combo with the white and black, and it had the red tow hooks in the front, which you really can't see these too well. I mean, because they don't stick out. So what I did was, where's it at? I went up to the local AutoZone and I said, you know what? Let's see what we can get. See how it turns out. So I bought some of this gloss red. I was gonna get the Ford red color, but I was like, you know, this is like a gloss red already. So what we're gonna do essentially is we're gonna pop these tow hooks off and then paint them red and see how that looks. I think that's gonna make it look really good. And then once I get like the side markers tinted, I think that's gonna make it look even better, because then it'll be all black, red and white, considering, you know, the tail lights do have red in them. So I think that'll look really good. It'll break up the front end a little bit as well, because everything's black and white right now. I feel like with this little red touch, this will definitely make it pop. And then, you know, the tow hooks will be visible as well, because like I said, you can't even really see them, which I'm sure that's what they was going for. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Like I said, it's gonna be a real short video on this here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and pop these things off. Super easy to do as well. There's like two, I want to say 17mm bolts underneath the tow hooks, and once you get those out, that should just come on out. Let me grab some sockets. But yeah, we're gonna have another video coming out too on the old GMC. I bought some stuff for it so I can do the sponsorship video that a company reached out to me about. Nothing crazy. There's going to be some lighting accessories, but you know, the old GMC definitely needs some stuff, because I haven't done nothing to it. Like I said, it's literally just got a leveling kit and then the long tube headers. So we definitely got to get some stuff, and of course it's on the other side. You definitely got to get some stuff done to that thing, because the Ranger's getting all the love right now, which, you know, considering how everything's been going with the GMC, that is why. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here. Once I get the tow hooks put back on after they're painted, I will show you guys the finished product, because I think it's gonna look really good. It'll go along with the Milwaukee, what do you call that? That ain't a pack out. The Milwaukee socket case, I guess you'd say. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here. Once I get everything painted and bolted back up, I'll show you guys how it turned out. Stay tuned. All right, everybody. So we got them on there, and that looks so much better. Just with the little red tow hooks down there. Once we get rid of this amber here on the side marker, then it's gonna look a lot better. It's kind of weird how these things are tied in. So like there's two 15 mils on the bottom of the bracket itself, and then there's a 15 on a skid plate. Well, I don't know if you call it a skid plate, but the splash shield, I guess you'd say. It's a little plastic piece. And then you have an 8mm. But once you drop all the bolts, like your whole oil cooler, I guess it is, just drops down. Which is weird, but that's how it works. So you can only do one at a time unless you want to drop that whole thing down. And I was like, yeah, I don't want to risk it. So I went ahead and did one at a time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it was just a little short, quick video. So now we just got to get rid of the orange side markers. Either tint them or check and see if they got like replacement LED smoked lenses. And then the truck will be all black, white, or red. Like I said, the tail lights got red on them. And another thing that I did notice that had red on it as well, which is kind of weird. So when I had the tailgate down, I don't know if it's like this on every truck, but my little cords, they're literally the same exact color as the spray paint that I bought. But yeah, like I said, just wanted to make a quick video on this thing. I was gonna be doing some stuff to this truck here, but I don't have enough time. It's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and if any of you guys know, on the East Coast, it's getting dark at like 5:15 now. So I'm not even gonna mess with that today. We'll probably do it this coming up weekend. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Does that look better? I feel like it looks better to me with the red tow hooks. You know, it breaks everything up just enough. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.